Hi guys, I am Vijay Kumar. I am working in Washington Navy and today my company has asked to come to Mumbai to join ship. Company offer us a flight ticket for the journey, but this time I requested for the train ticket so that I can share the experience of the train with all of you guys. So company has given me a ticket first class by the train Suryanagri Express from Jodhpur to Mumbai. I have packed my luggage. I have one bag which is hardly 25 kg and one is the handbag which is near about 7 kg. So let's move towards the station so that we can enjoy the journey. I have booked one auto so that we can enjoy this journey in a very real manner and I can show you all the road effects which comes towards the station. So I am taking my bag which is little very heavy and one small handbag. Now it's time to say bye bye to my family. I have already catched the auto and now I am on the way of the station Jodhpur. Here we can see the traffics. So guys, how I am looking, just comment me if I am looking good. Now we are just near to the station and we have just about to reach the station. You can see here it's very rush and we have reached to the station. Here it is the Jodhpur station from the outer side and I am in the stand. Just going to near, you will find the name of the Jodhpur station. It's really looking beautiful in night, but even though in daytime also it's good. Here the Jodhpur station. Here is our national flag. So we are going inside of the station and you will find this is the main entrance area of the station. And after it, I will go for the security checkup of my luggage. I am in the queue for the security check. We can see the X-ray machine where all the luggage will be checked. So finally I got my luggage after security check. Now I have already entered in the platform area and going to the train where it is standing. So my platform is number 3 where Suryanagri Express is there. So moving towards the platform number 3. I am trying to give you all the real review as I want to share all the reviews correctly with you. So be with me. Here I am taking the lift to go to the platform 3. Now we come down to the platform number 3. And here is my train where I am searching my coach. That is first class AC. Generally it's in the name of F1 and with only one coach in the Chaturvedi Express. So just finding it. I think now I have reached to the coach and most probably this one is the coach. So let's check whether it is the same or not. So here you can see it's H1 and this is the first class. So let's enter the coach. You can see the neat and clean area and while entering I am getting one lobby and left side the cabins are made for the first class passengers. When we entered the cabin, we find there is the 4 seats available, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and it's quite comfortable. And it's luggage here, it is stairs for going upside, and it's spacious to take a rest, sleep. Currently there is one passenger in the vessel now. I have just put my luggage, and after some time, this is the outside area from the window side, and you can see here all the passenger came, and train started to moving towards Mumbai. So it's a beautiful area from the window side. Let's go. So now we are reaching to the Mumbai Bandra terminus. So this is the platform view. We reached and going outside. So this is the exit. This is the main area. So it's quite impressive. You can see it's very beautiful. The whole area is very beautiful, and it's very neat and clean. So this is all about the Bandra terminus. This is the quite comfortable journey with the Suryanagri Express first class, and here is the Bandra outside. This is the main Bandra terminus station. So hope guys you enjoyed it. Thank you. Bye bye.